Ano yung mga low-hanging fruits mo? Mukhang season na naman ng mangga. Everywhere I go, pag may mango tree, parang namumulaklak at namumunga. In fact, kung saan ako ngayon, daming mangga. Kaso lang yung mga mangga natin dito sa Pilipinas ay nasa taas. Kailangan sungkitin pa talaga. Hindi siya mako-consider na low-hanging fruit. Pero a couple of years back, I went on mission to Liberia. It's in West Africa. At nagulat ako, yung mga mangga nila, low-hanging. Natuwa ako kasi hindi ko na kailangan ng panungkit. Abot kamay, konting talon lang, may mangga na ako. Pero syempre, masarap pa rin yung mangga natin dito sa Pinas. Yung low-hanging fruit, naririnig ko yan sa mga strategic meetings. If they want to get something moving, if they want to create an impact right away, tinatanong nila, what are our low-hanging fruits? In other words, yung kaya nating gawin ngayon, yung abot kamay. It's also a good practice to think of your low-hanging fruits. It's something that can get you started right away. And you can also overcome overthinking. Ano ba yung mga opportunities na nandyan lang? Pwede mo nang simulan. For example, if you want to be a content creator, you don't have to have expensive gear. Kailangan mo lang cellphone mo. Baka yun yung low-hanging fruit mo. Yung anong meron ka ngayon, anong gadget meron ka ngayon, anong resources meron ka ngayon. Yan, low-hanging fruit yan. And another example, if you want to start a business, the low-hanging fruit can be the skills that you already have. You can render services. For example, you're a graphic designer or a web developer. Kung kaya mo yun na yung low-hanging fruit mo. Kung magaling ka sa art, then design shirts and sell them. Importante, masimulan mo na. You don't have to start big right away. You just have to see the current opportunities that you have because most likely, it will lead to bigger opportunities. So baka hindi ka dapat masyadong choosy. Kung anong meron ngayon, baka yun yung pinipresenta ni Lord sa'yo. So mag-isip-isip na, ano yung meron ka ngayon na pwede mo nang simulan? Sino mga taong kilala mo na pwede mong kausapin? Yan, mga low-hanging fruit din yan. We just have to open our eyes wider kasi marami sa ating mga prayers baka sinagot na ni Lord. Pero kulang tayo sa gratefulness. Baka nandyan lang yan, sa harap mo, yung low-hanging fruit mo at abot kamay mo na. Start with the simple things, the things that God has already provided for you.